You have to kind of see. You give it a seat. Court is back in session. Remain seated and quiet. Be seated.
Madam, call the case.
Recalling case number 15-4615, People of the State of Michigan versus William Melendez. Party is here for a jury trial in progress.
Appearances for the record.
Robert Donaldson, appearing on behalf of the people.
Herman DeFranco on behalf of the people. John Donaldson on behalf of the people.
Okay.
Thomas on behalf of Mr. Melendez. Who's here, John?
Very good, thank you. The court received the information at 12:52 that we have received a verdict. This case has received a lot of media coverage. It's dealing with a very sensitive area, not only in this city, but in the United States and our community, period. But more importantly, the court wanted to make sure that each side had an opportunity to bring their family and supporters here. The court did that so that the victim could be here, as well as the supporters and family of Mr. Melendez. At this time, we want to bring out the jury. Oh, but wait. Just see, checking if you're listening. Let me say this to you. I know there are a lot of people that are here, and this is a very challenging day. There are no winners, and they're both losers here. But I have to ask you on behalf of just sit down, Mr. Royal. Anyway, but on behalf of this jury, they have deliberated, they've listened to the testimony, and they have deliberated in a very methodical, very quick-paced manner, and I want them to feel that this is like no other trial, that they be given the respect that we would give anybody else. I don't want you to applaud. I don't want you to cry out. If you feel that this is just too much, I'm going to ask you to leave now, because I have to let them know that they've reached a verdict, they've come together, and they've made a decision. And that's what is important to me. It's not what the decision is, but they made a decision. And so for that reason, I'm going to take the verdict, I'm going to poll the jury, I'm going to go back and talk to the jury, then I'm going to release the jury, and then I'll make a decision as to what I'm going to do as regarding bond, if in fact there is a decision that has to be made in that area. Bring the jury out.
All rise for jury. Please be seated.
Madam, call us madam.
Calling case number 15-4615, People of the State of Michigan versus William Melendez. Here for a jury trial in progress. Appearances.
Robert Donaldson, appearing on behalf of the people.
Herman DeFranco on behalf of the people. John Donaldson on behalf of the people. And James Thomas on behalf of William Melendez.
Madam.
Members of the jury, have you reached a unanimous decision?
Would the four-person stand, please?
Please stand.
And state your seat number only.
13. Okay. How does the jury find the defendant, William Melendez, as to count 1, assault by strangulation complainant Floyd Dent?
Not guilty.
As to count 2, Assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder, complainant Floyd Dent.
Guilty.
As to count 3, misconduct in office.
Guilty.
All jurors, please stand. Raise your right hand and listen to your verdict as recorded by the court. You do swear upon your oath that you find the defendant, William Melendez, as to count 1, assault by strangulation, not guilty. As to count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder, guilty. As to count 3, misconduct in office, guilty. So say you, Madam Foreperson.
I do.
So say you, all members of the jury.
I do.
All right.
Please be seated. Poll the jury, Madam.
Juror number 1.
Seat number 1.
Oh, seat number 1. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
Seat number 3. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
Seat number 4. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
Seat number 6. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
Seat number 9. Was that and is this your verdict? Seat number 10. Was that and is this
9.
your verdict?
Speak up louder.
Yes. Seat number 10. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
Seat number 11. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
Seat number 12. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
Seat number 13. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
And seat number 14. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
15 and 16.
Seat
15.
number 15. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
And seat number 16. Was that and is this your verdict?
Yes.
The jury has been polled. Let me just say this to you all. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you because you made a decision. The decision that you made reflected what your belief was in this particular hearing. But the fact that each of you were able to come from various backgrounds, nationalities, genders, to come together to reach a decision in this particular matter really says a lot about democracy, but it says more about our community. It says that we can work together, and you've demonstrated that. All rise for the jury. I'll be back shortly. I'm going to take them. I'm going to have... Go in the back. Go. Can we get a verdict form, Madam?
Please be seated.
Back on the record outside the presence of the jury who has been discharged as divine.
Your Honor, it's my inclination at this point in time to treat it as any other assaultive conviction. And point the court to MCL 770.9A, which says that a remand is appropriate unless this court finds by clear and convincing evidence that the defendant is not a danger to the community. I'm not so sure that the court can do that.
Mr. Thomas.
Well, I think that the danger to the community that was posed by the offense that had been occurred was while he was serving as a sworn police officer. He is no longer a sworn police officer. He doesn't have power to arrest, and he's certainly not going to be out on the street arresting people. Judge, there has been a significant amount of work, trial, and pre-trial in this case. He has appeared every time that he's supposed to. I do not believe that he is in fact, he had been allowed to travel to get married, and he traveled out of the country to do that. He came back, facing the potential that he was going to be convicted and the fact that he may be incarcerated by this court when sentenced. We're coming up on the Thanksgiving holiday. He is not a danger to the community. He doesn't have any travel plans. He's not a risk of flight. And so I asked the court to exercise your discretion and to make a finding based on his conduct in public service, his appearance in court as directed in this case, and the fact that that you're not going to put this off too much longer, but it will give him a chance to be together with his family before you impose sentence.
Very good. Thank you so much. You can sit down.
Thank you.
The court does have to look at the fact that this is an assaultive crime. I have to look at the fact that Mr. Melendez was a police officer, sworn police officer at that time. But the two things that are most prevailing at this point, there has been a decision. And it's time for whatever the court is going to do for Mr. Melendez to accept responsibility and move on with his life so that this community can heal from this situation. At this time, the court is going to remand the defendant to the Wayne County Jail. I'm going to revoke bond. Sentence date?
Will be December the 17th.
December 17th. Bring his wife back in here. Can we do it? I don't understand why he's got to be. We can get an earlier date. It shouldn't take him around 2 weeks.
December the 3rd.
Madam, don't say anything. Why would you storm out my... Don't do my courtroom like that. That was disrespectful. And it's a lot going on right now. And there's an appropriate way to handle that. But I'm expecting more from you. This is, excuse me, Deputy Attorney, this is your husband. And he's dealing with a lot. And for you to storm out this courtroom like you a kid is unacceptable. Sit down.
For December the 3rd.
That's better. Can we do it then? December 3rd it is. Court's in recess.